Come test drive the 2018 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the MINI Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.